Hello everyone, and welcome to the Thousand Islands History Museum. My name is Samantha, and today, Sarah and I are going to be building a turtle car kit. If you can remember from our last video, roadways are a major threat to animals in the Thousand Islands. One of these animals are turtles. All 5 of our turtle species in the Thousand Islands are now considered a species at risk. Roads have had a role to play in this for 2 reasons. The first is that when a road is built, the gravel shoulders become a new place for turtles to lay their eggs. Unfortunately, these nest sites are open and vulnerable to predators, so they're not safe. The second reason is that when a road is built, turtles know how to cross the road. Turtles are slow moving and many species will hide in their shells when they're scared, so they're not very good at crossing the road. They could really use your help, so today we'll build a turtle car kit so that you'll be all set to rescue turtles. But first, we must go over a few road safety reminders. Roads can be dangerous places for both turtles and humans, especially in busy areas, such as the Thousand Islands Parkway. If the driver of your car decides that it's not safe to stop and help a turtle, you must respect their decision. You'll be no help to wildlife if you get injured too. If the driver of your car does decide that it's safe to help, they'll pull over to the side of the road. Once the vehicle is stopped, it's your responsibility to remind the driver to turn on their hazard lights. Hazard lights act as a warning to other drivers, telling them that something is going on. The button to activate these lights looks like this. It's also a great idea to wear a safety vest if you have one, or another form of highly visible clothing. And now for the kit itself. I'll show you a list of all the items that you'll need, and then we'll go through them one by one to show you how to use them. The first item that you'll need is a reusable bin like this one that has holes poked in the lid. This bin is useful for 2 reasons. The first is that you can put your car kit supplies inside, and the second is that it can be used to transport injured or deceased turtles with eggs to your local wildlife rehabilitation center. The links to Gananoque's closest rehab centers are in the description below. The next item that you'll need are your gloves. Turtles carry Salmonella bacteria, which you don't want all over your hands in your car. These gloves will keep you safe, and once you have your gloves on, you'll be ready to pick up a turtle. If the turtle you have found is a painted, Blandings, or map turtle, then you're all set to rescue it. To do this, you'll want to pick it up around its middle, in between its legs. The turtle may try to get away from you by squirming or peeing on you, so watch out. Once it is safe to cross, you can move the turtle across the road in the direction the turtle was walking in. Once you've finished moving your turtle, you can take off your gloves and put them inside your plastic bag. This way you can bring them home with you and wash them so you can use them again. Your paper towel is here just in case the turtle was wet or tried to pee on you. And the hand sanitizer is to disinfect your hands. Remember when you get to your destination to also wash your hands really well with soap and water as well. Once your hands have been disinfected, you can now report your turtle sighting. The easiest way to do this is with a smartphone. If you have the iNaturalist app, you can take a picture of your turtle, and the turtle's picture and location will be available to scientists for their research. If you don't have a smartphone handy, you can use a notebook instead. With a notebook and pencil like this one, you can record the species of turtle and where you saw it, and then you can email this information to the Natural Heritage Information Center once you get home. The email for the Natural Heritage Information Center can be found in the description below. Now, it may seem like we're finished, so you're probably wondering, why have this blanket with me? This blanket is for one of our more unique turtle species. The turtles we've talked about so far have really nice big shells they can hide in, but snapping turtles and stinkpot turtles do not. Their shells are actually so small on the bottom that they can't fit inside of them. So they defend themselves another way. They have really long necks and they tend to snap. Stinkpot turtles, like Sarah here, are not too big a deal. Stinkpots are one of Ontario's smallest turtle species, and as long as your fingers are out of the way, they're pretty easy to pick up. Snapping turtles, on the other hand, are quite heavy. This is where the blanket comes in. If you can get the snapping turtle to walk onto the blanket, then it's pretty easy to drag them across the road, just like this. Just remember that the same rules apply to snapping turtles and stinkpot turtles as it does to all the other turtle species as well. Make sure you always drag the turtle in the direction that they're walking. And that's it. Your turtle car kit is now complete. I hope that this video has helped to inspire you to prepare for any turtles that you might meet on the roads this year. If you'd like to learn more about species at risk or studies or careers in the environment, you can watch our next SARA Saves videos. They are available on the website of the Thousand Islands History Museum. Thank you for watching.